Welcome back to AMA AI Tech, your trusted hub for discovering the smartest AI tools for creators and marketers. If you've ever wondered how to boost your productivity, elevate your writing, and even earn affiliate income all at once, today's episode is tailored for you. We're diving into 3 of the most powerful AI writing platforms of 2025: Copymatic, Easy-Peasy.AI, and GravityWrite. Each tool promises to transform the way you work, and may even open the door to a passive income stream through their affiliate programs. Let's get started and see which one fits your workflow best. AI content writing tools have surged in popularity this year, becoming must-haves for bloggers, marketers, agencies, and anyone handling digital content. With the rise of advanced generative models, tasks that used to take hours, like writing articles, crafting ad copy, or developing engaging social posts, can now be completed in minutes. But as the market fills with options, not every AI tool is created equal. Some specialize in SEO, others in short-form copy, and each has its own set of strengths. Today, we'll break down the features, user experience, and affiliate opportunities of Copymatic, Easy-Peasy.AI, and GravityWrite, so you can decide which is the best fit for your needs. Let's start with Copymatic. This platform has quickly built a reputation for being one of the most advanced AI writers for SEO and marketing. What sets Copymatic apart is its all-in-one approach. Whether you're developing a full-length blog post, creating persuasive ad copy, building high-converting landing pages, or drafting email campaigns, Copymatic's AI can handle it all in seconds. The workflow is simple. You enter your topic, and Copymatic walks you through each step, from generating catchy titles and detailed outlines to writing fully optimized paragraphs. This structured process means you can go from an initial idea to a polished, ready-to-publish article without losing time on editing or formatting. Another standout feature is multi-language support, a crucial advantage for agencies or creators working with global clients. Even better, Copymatic integrates directly with WordPress, streamlining your publishing workflow. No more tedious copying and pasting. You can push content directly to your site. For those looking to expand their income, Copymatic's affiliate program is especially attractive. Referring new users earns you a 30% recurring commission, turning your recommendation into a steady revenue stream. It's a win-win for content creators scaling up their operations or agencies managing multiple clients. Copymatic's combination of speed, quality, and affiliate incentives make it ideal for anyone serious about content and growth. Next up is Easy-Peasy.AI, a platform designed with simplicity and accessibility at its core. If you're a marketer, social media creator, or small business owner, especially if you're new to AI tools, Easy-Peasy.AI is a perfect starting point. The interface is refreshingly clean and intuitive. Unlike more complex platforms, you don't need any technical background to get started. Easy-Peasy.AI offers over 90 customizable templates for everything from social media captions and email subject lines to product descriptions and ad text. This means you can generate the content you need with just a few clicks. What truly sets Easy-Peasy.AI apart from the competition is its built-in AI voice tool, allowing users to create spoken content or audio snippets alongside written text. Additionally, the image prompt generator opens up creative possibilities for visual content, ideal for social posts or digital ads. The affiliate program here is also highly competitive, offering around a 30 to 40% recurring commission and an extremely straightforward sign-up process. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a small team, Easy-Peasy.AI makes it easy to get started, create high-quality content quickly, and earn extra income through referrals. Finally, let's take a look at GravityWrite. This platform is one of the most versatile AI writers available today, supporting over 80 different content types, ranging from long-form blog posts and detailed reviews to video scripts, social media captions, and more. GravityWrite excels in producing natural-sounding English, making it especially effective for creators focused on short-form content or those managing multiple projects simultaneously. Speed and creativity are at the heart of GravityWrite. The platform is engineered to help you brainstorm, draft, and polish your ideas in record time. For those seeking an ongoing revenue stream, GravityWrite's affiliate program offers a robust 30% recurring commission, making it an excellent choice for anyone interested in long-term passive income. The platform's intuitive interface and project management capabilities also make it well-suited for agencies and freelancers juggling diverse clients and content needs. If your workflow involves frequent short-form writing, social posts, or rapid-fire project management, GravityWrite is a powerful ally. So to wrap up, you have 3 impressive options for AI-powered content writing in 2025. Copymatic brings advanced SEO and marketing features, seamless integration with WordPress, and a lucrative affiliate program for those looking to scale and monetize their workflow. Easy-Peasy.AI stands out for its user-friendly design, built-in voice and image tools, and accessible affiliate incentives, perfect for beginners and small teams. GravityWrite offers unmatched versatility, speed, and project management capabilities with a solid commission structure for affiliates seeking passive income. All 3 platforms are at the cutting edge of AI writing technology, helping you save time, boost quality, and unlock new streams of revenue. If you're ready to level up your content creation and explore affiliate marketing, check out the links in the description below. Try each tool for yourself, compare the features, and see which one fits your workflow best. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to AMA AI Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the latest AI tools and tutorials. We're here to help you work smarter, earn more, and stay ahead in the fast-moving world of tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.